What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. Autobots, roll out! Hey guys, I actually went and saw recently the new Bumblebee movie, the live-action movie. Hailee Steinfeld, I think co-starred in it, and I really actually liked the movie a lot. I didn't love, and I'm not going to gush about it. It actually has the G1 Transformers in it. Bumblebee is a Volkswagen Beetle, if you remember that from the original cartoons, and it has Starscream and Soundwave and Rampage. I mean, it was awesome to see all like the G1s, including Optimus Prime, which is was truly in his like G1 state. So that was really awesome. I think it takes place in the 80s, somewhere in there, and so there's a lot of nostalgia for those of us that are at a certain age where we enjoyed that. It was also very story heavy as opposed to the mindless action that the latest movies have gotten into, which I actually really like. In fact, I would have probably liked Bumblebee more had there been more fighting robots, but it was still a pretty good movie, despite the fact that it was a little slow paced sometimes. Now, listen, I went to the AMC theater here to see it, and what they gave out as you were scanning your tickets were these little Bumblebee giveaways. You can see the Autobots logo right there, choking hazard for children under 3. A little honeycomb pattern there. Have not opened this little bad boy up. Looks like there's a little tear here. And what you can see is we get, a little Bumblebee figurine. So that's pretty cool. I didn't expect that. That was a giveaway that they gave to us. I guess I did see it on opening weekend. You can see the little VW doors here. The VW headlights and the front fenders are the chest, which is kind of the way the Transformers have done it. They've taken the front end of the vehicles and put them into the chest plate. This is not truly G1 because if you remember, Bumblebee's feet were the fenders. So, you know, they've kind of modified it. And it's a little funny that they modified the Transformer version for Bumblebee, considering that he's the headliners. But Starscream and some of the other Autobots like Ratchet and those, I think there's kind of like a whole hodgepodge. It's a little scattered, but I think like all those looked exactly like the original cartoon Transformers, so that was pretty cool. Only Bumblebee actually varied off of that a little bit. Here you can see, you know, it's not very tall, maybe 1.5 inches here tall, but pretty cool. He's posed, looking a little mean here, not with his Bumblebee fighting helmet on. This is kind of his friendly face. And Bumblebee had like horns in the G1. Bumblebee here has like these little ears that kind of move around in the movie quite a bit. And that's cool, but not totally authentic to the original Transformers. But I really liked it. Like the fact that you got a little promo, a little giveaway coming in. That was cool. I didn't expect it. The Bumblebee movie was pretty good. I liked it. I don't know that I'd rewatch it anytime soon, but if you like the Transformers and you want to see kind of how Bumblebee gets to Earth, and then the movie does end, pretty close to the very first of the Transformers movies, the kind of the live action movies. So it helps kind of bridge and transition into that storyline. So pretty cool. Check it out. I don't know. You might be able to find these somewhere. Probably on eBay. I'll put a link to Transformers stuff in the description. Peter Von Panda out.